Welcome to a trip to the market meditation. Now, this content is not what you would normally expect, yet it's an important part of what we do here at Tastemade, and we would love to have you join us for this short meditation. During this meditation, you can choose to watch the beautiful food images in front of you, or you're welcome to close your eyes. Even though we know closing your eyes isn't what normally happens on social media, it's nice to take a moment for yourself sometimes. Also, my name is Amanda, and I'll be your guide in this highly essential intention-setting practice where you'll learn to pause and consider what foods you are about to shop for and why you are about to select the foods you are about to get at the store before you even place one foot into the market. We've all had those moments when you are about to walk into the store and have either forgotten what you even came here for, or are resisting the ravenous urge to buy everything in front of you. Maybe you're feeling overwhelmed by all the options at hand, or are trying to remember all of your current health goals, like eating more vegetables and less of your favorite frozen dessert. Let alone your grocery list for that new recipe you have been dying to dive into and try. If this is you, don't worry. Take a deep breath and let's begin. Maybe you're outside of the grocery store right now, or are trying to mentally prepare to gather your produce and provisions later. Wherever you are, take a moment to pause before you take one step further. Welcome a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Sense the ground beneath your feet and feel the temperature of the air around you. Becoming aware that your intentions behind this shop will create all of the difference later. Pause right now and reflect upon what are you shopping for and why. First, lightly list what it is you are wanting to gather at the store. What are your key items? What did you originally come here for? What staples are you out of at home, like your cooking oils, garnishing oils, eggs, butter, rice, spices, or flour? Now reflect upon any specifics for that new shiny recipe endeavor that is going to take your cooking game to the next level. What special ingredients may you want to get today for that new dish or flavor profile? Now consider any healthy eating goals you are currently working with. Commit to buying the extra veggies and fruit, or maybe not going down that one grocery aisle which holds that dessert you are trying to avoid this week. Reflect upon the types of foods you want to get and how they will make you feel when you eat them. Remember that each item you choose will add up to the goals you have for yourself, whether for a healthy lifestyle or your culinary aspirations. This, my friend, is your why. So take a long, mindful pause around this intention for your shop today. And if you are also aware that you are a little or a lot hungry right now, notice your hunger and think about that one meal or food which would best meet this need to eat. Zero in on what would really satiate you and nourish you right now before you begin to shop at the store. Now, take one more deep breath in and release this deep breath out. And go with clarity and confidence into that store to shop for all of your groceries. I'll see you back here for your next Tastemade meditation soon.